Howdy folks, just goofing around in E minor there. I'm getting ready to teach another workshop series for Nashville Acoustic Camps. It's Dobro Crash Course 3. This one's going to be all about minor keys and minor chords. This is something that's confused dobro players since the onset of dobro and G major tuning. How do you deal with minor chords and keys when you're tuned to a major chord? I'm here to tell you that it is not very difficult once you learn a few tricks. In fact, you'll start looking forward to the next song in a minor key as soon as you're done with this course. So we will learn a bunch of cool fretboard pockets. We'll learn how to make minor chords and double stops all over the fretboard. We're going to learn some songs that will drill some important areas of the fretboard for you and teach you a bunch of important pathways through the instrument. You'll also get the answer to many mysteries, such as how is it possible that I'm getting so many different reflections in my glasses every time I get on screen, and why is there a tree in my room? All these questions and more will be answered. I hope you'll sign up. Looking forward to it. See you later.